Hello, this is Carlo with Fireye, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the security control with our NXTSD507 HD and NXTSD512 HD line of enhanced touchscreen interfaces. So these touchscreen interfaces have two types of passwords. The first is the password for the screen itself, and that's what we're going to cover here. The second is the passcode that you've always used with the NXF4000 and PPC4000. That's part of the firmware of that control. So that is unchanged. So to log into the screen, we're going to go to the System menu on the upper right. Click that. And then I'm going to choose Security. If you're logged out, there's only going to be a few choices. Choosing Security will bring up the login box. And it's going to show you at the top who is logged in. Right now, nobody's logged in, so it says logged out, and it's in red. This is going to allow us to log in. So there are two usernames that we're going to be concerned with. The first is ENG for engineer, and the second is admin for the administrator. We're going to do admin because that's going to allow us to do more things. So the username is either ENG or admin with a capital first letter, lowercase for the remainder of the letters. So to type in admin, I do have to make sure I press shift and make the first letter capital. So capital A, D, M, I, N. And press the check mark, and then make sure that you've typed it correctly with a capital A. Then I type in the password, which is also admin with a capital A. And for ENG, it's also the same, ENG with a capital E, and the password is ENG with a capital E. So I'll type admin here, press the check mark. Now, it's not going to show you what you typed. If I made a mistake, it'll let you know that there's an error. But if you've typed it correctly, once you're done typing in the username and password, you press the unlock key, and then it's going to let you know that you've successfully logged in with this green banner. And that is going to now expand the options available. So now when I press the same system menu, I'm going to have more choices. Now, one of the things that you might find frustrating using these screens is that every time you need to press any button, including a lockout reset, you do have to log in, and that's for cybersecurity reasons. That's why the screen's shipped this way. So you can choose to make some changes to the permissions. So now that I'm logged in, if I go to back to the security panel here, as long as I'm logged in, there is a gear icon at the bottom that does allow me to change permissions. This is also how I can change the user or the passwords, or even add additional users and set custom permissions for them, or delete additional users if I've added them. So you can see that for the logged out user, there is a gear icon here, so I will press that. This is going to give me 5 options of things that I can let the logged out user do. One of them is adjust parameters and click buttons. So if I highlight that to green and I press the check mark and then I apply that by closing out of here, now the logged out user will be able to press buttons, including lockout reset. So that is a choice you can make, and you can set it this way. So now that I'm logged in, I'll press the X to close that, and that's all there is to logging into the NXTSD507 HD or NXTSD512 HD touchscreens. Thanks for watching.